So my name is Chip Carlton Carter. I'm from Tampa, Florida. I'm 21 years old. I just like to do what I want.
You nailed it.
No?
You have to have at least a 2.0 quarterly GPA.
Okay.
So this quarter, the average of your classes has to be at least a C average, 2.0.
Okay.
And you can't withdraw from any classes.
Yes, I had a meeting with my professor after my last class, and I was like,
Okay.
Professor, I didn't turn in the past 4 assignments, which are the only 4 assignments, so I'm sorry about that. But I turned in a paper like 2 weeks late, and he gave me an A on it because it was so good. So I was like, Yo, this is fire. I'm rocking with this. So I met with him after class. He was like, and I was like, Yo, like, my bad. Am I still good though? And he was like, Yeah. He's like, if you turn in your stuff, I got you, my guy. And I said, bet.
Now you're best friends?
Yes. That's
Alright,
exactly.
I like that story. That sounds like
Exactly.
the beginning of a beautiful friendship for the two of you. Okay, yeah, so basically you have to get a C in that class or you're going to be suspended.
Yeah, I told him that. I was like, yo, on some, like, I'm just keeping it 100. If I don't pass this class with a C, I'm gonna drop out of SCAD. And he was like, oh, you're definitely gonna get a C at least. And I was like,
Alright,
okay.
well that's going to require you to still turn stuff in, right?
Yes,
so
that's what I'm working on.
I don't think he's going to give you a C for friendship. You got to
Yeah.
still turn in some work.
I mean,
Give some
don't
speeches.
underestimate my friendship, but yeah, I hear what you're saying though. I hear what you're saying.
Okay, alright, so us having that conversation allowed me to take the hold off your account.
Let's go!
What to register for?
Let's fucking go. Okay, what can I register? Sorry, this is my language. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna FaceTime my dad in a second. And be like, yo, bitch. Literally look at me. That's my only goal in life. Is to just fucking prove to my dad that like I didn't just like run away to go and do nothing. That like excuse me. Gross. That I didn't just run away to go and do nothing. That I'm trying to amount to something. It's my weighs on my chest. But I'll never amount to anything. Because I can never finish anything because my brain is so scattered. So it weighs on me. I'll never amount to anything. That theory of like, I keep feeling like I'm placing a brick in all these different plots. And I'm building so hard and I'm placing all these bricks everywhere. And at the end of the fucking 6 months, I'm like, why haven't I built a mansion yet? But there's just a fucking bunch of bricks in all these different plots and nothing will ever be completed. It's just, nothing will amount to anything. So I'm just starting everything. At least the chair's finished. I smoked a fucking whole ass cigarette. Just so fast. And I was like fucking spinning. I'm gonna smoke cigarettes. And like I closed my eyes and I was just locked in the chair for like 30 seconds. And I didn't like have an experience, like an out-of-body experience, but I visualized myself just like shooting into like heaven. And I was just thinking about what does it take to get to heaven, and to get to that point, and to be with my mom, and to be at that point of full circle, And I was thinking about like, what can I do in life? Is it helping people? Is it, taking opportunities to like gain and sharing? Is it, what is it? You know, Christopher McCandless in Into the Wild says, happiness is only real when it's shared with others. And like, that's true. You can have all the stuff in the world, but like, what does it mean if you don't have anyone to share it with, right? And I was just thinking, how do I get to heaven? I had that visual that I had, that was just shooting. It was just like, shoo, and I was just like sitting there with my eyes closed, and I was just like, and I was like, I have all this persistence, so persistent. And if you're persistent, you'll get stuff, right? If you're persistent, you'll get it. If you're consistent, you'll keep it. I'm persistent, right? I'll sit there and I'll try a yo-yo trick, I'll try whatever in days until I hit it. But like once I get something, it's my consistency that I lack. And like sometimes I'll take it even farther than being really persistent and talented is just being consistent and getting up every day at the same time and just putting hours in. I don't know. I'm just kind of speaking my mind. Said, bitch, I'm from the hood. Nah. Bitch, I smoke them wood. Something. Hold on. Let's riff this one. Alright, yo, this one, glowies for Kobe. This one, for Kobe. This one's fucking straight up for Kobe. Oh, glowies for Kobe. Fuck. Sorry, Kobe. Alright, for film 237, boys. We ain't got it. Maybe we got it, though. That was it. That was literally it, and I fucking hit 2 lunars after it. For that.